Rachel here with WTI, and if you like hiking or trekking, you need to check out these hiking poles or hiking sticks by Cascade Mountain Tech. We like them so much, after buying one pair, we decided to get another pair. I'm talking to you today about the Black Grip. They're EVA, and they help to absorb moisture, they're not rough on the skin, and they have a really good grip. These come with different attachments. We have the one that works good for mud or for sand. There's also attachments for slippery surfaces, hard indoor surfaces, and snow as well. So it's very versatile. They come in this travel bag, which makes them easy to travel with. Another thing that we like is that these are aluminum. They're really strong, but at the same time, they're lightweight. They're super easy to open up and to adjust to the exact height that you need. Once you've adjusted it, you can lock them in and you're ready to go. When you need to fold them down, you just open up the locks and they fold up really nicely, and you can store them in your backpack if you need to. So like I said, these are the EVA Black Grips. They're so good if your hands are sweaty. They absorb the moisture really easily. They're not irritating on your skin. We found that these poles make it so much easier to hike in different types of terrain. We love these hiking poles by Cascade Mountain Tech. They've helped us so much on various hikes, and that's our point of view.